This spiced pumpkin cake with cream cheese frosting and candied pumpkin seeds is fantastic, and it's really simple to make. You're going to start off by making the cake, which is just eggs and vanilla, then sugar, mix it together before adding a whole can of pumpkin puree and some melted coconut oil. Then add your dry ingredients, which is going to be flour, some baking powder, and baking soda, a little bit of salt, and then, of course, lots of cinnamon and pumpkin spice. Stir everything together until you have one cohesive batter that looks just like this, and pour it into a 9 by 13 prepped baking pan. While the cake bakes, make your cream cheese frosting, which is just room temperature butter, cream cheese, some vanilla, powdered sugar, and a little bit of cinnamon. This is what your frosting should look like, the perfect consistency. And now that your cake has cooled, you could go ahead and swirl that frosting all over the top. Now, what really sets this cake apart is these candied pumpkin seeds. They're already roasted and salted, so by candying them, you add that little sweet and salty crunch right on top that just tastes brilliant with this cake. Cut into 24 even pieces and enjoy. I am telling you, this is going to be a crowd-pleasing dessert. Do not sleep on this recipe. Make it ASAP. Details are on fufuskitchen.com.